Hey guys, so I am just got to Ulta and I'm about to go buy some makeup. Hopefully I don't spend a lot of money because I really don't need to. But I just need to like restock on some things, and then, you know, that's my goal, is to just restock. But we all know how Ulta gets you, so I'll probably come out with a bunch of new products. But I plan on kind of taking y'all through, and then I will show you guys everything I get. So keep watching. My favorite leave-in conditioner is the best. I always use this one right here, but I've also used the keratin one too. This is one of my favorites. Maybe. Current situation. You guys, they have this James Charles palette. I really want to get it. Should I? They have the new Morphe Fluidity. Oh my gosh. It's only getting worse, but I refuse to get a bag because I'll only get that much more. Alright guys, I just left Ulta. I'm in my car. I got a lot of stuff that I didn't need. But, you know, you just can't help it when you go in there. You know, ladies, you go in and it's like time flies. Somehow I was in there for like an hour. I don't know what happens. You just lose yourself in the store, and then next thing you know, you're at the register regretting your life. Not your life, that's a bit dramatic. But I compared a lot to like going to Target, you know, you just end up with 5 too many things that you don't need. But anyways, I'm about to go home, so I will probably do a different day, kind of show you guys everything I got, or maybe I'll do it once I get home. Show you guys everything I got, and then maybe do a video, my next video, do another like get ready with me and show you me using all the products I got. So I didn't get too many like new things. A lot of it, like I said, was just like restocking things that I ran out of. But yeah, so stay tuned and see what I got. Hey guys, so it's actually really late, so I was gonna show you guys everything I got from Ulta in a couple days, but I really want to use the products tomorrow because I'm excited about a couple of them to use, and I kind of need to use them because, like I said, I've ran out of stuff. So I figured I'd just jump on here really quick and show you guys everything. Don't mind, I literally, editing these videos, I need help. It takes me so long. I don't feel like it should take me that long. My whole night is gone, and I feel like, yeah. So that's what my night consisted of. So I wanted to show you guys everything I got from Ulta. Okay, so first things first, I have Grizzly on me. I've already talked about these in my 2018, like my favorite items, but these are my favorite beauty blenders. It's weird because like they're usually orange, but sometimes they're in pink. I don't really know if this is going to be the new color, but it's the Real Techniques face and body sponge, and I'm telling you, these are my favorite. I'm obsessed, but they're buy one get one 50% off, so I went ahead and picked up 2 because, you know, you go through them fast. And then I guess I'll kind of go through like the things I'm just like restocking. So I meant to put this in my 2018 favorite, y'all. It's so late, I can't think. But this is, I'm telling you, if you are looking for something to transform your hair, I've been using this for years, probably I mean, honestly, I've probably been using this for like 3 to 4 years. And it is what I swear by, especially with how light I have my hair. You need to be using something like this if you have blonde hair. I've tried the keratin one, and my hairdresser told me that you shouldn't use that one all the time. So this is my go-to one for like every time I wash my hair. I have always had tangly hair, so this makes it to where you can actually like brush through easily. So highly, 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 highly recommend picking this up. You will literally, every person I've told about it loves it. It is expensive, very pricey for just a leave-in conditioner. Like this small bottle is like $18, but you don't use a lot and it's life-changing. It's totally worth it. Totally worth it. Recommend enough. The next item I just kind of was restocking was just my one of my foundations. So like I said, I usually mix these two together, and I was just running low on this one, so I just picked up more. I have been kind of dipping in with this one a little bit more and mixing. I don't know why I like mixing, so I like mix kind of all three of these. Sometimes I just mix these two, kind of whatever I'm feeling this day or that day. This one is a lot lighter of a shade, so I usually use this whenever I haven't had like I haven't put on like fake tan. And then let's see, I think the rest is all, oh no. And then I just got more of the baking powder that I use. So this is the Makeup Revolution in the color Lace. It's the banana powder. Well, I guess it's not banana powder. I guess it's, I don't know. It's the Makeup Revolution in the color Lace. So I use this one all over my face. And then just recently, I did start using, I'm getting into other things, even though this is not about that. But y'all know the Miss A, where I get the eyelashes that I love for $1. I tried out this setting powder from them the last time I went, and I love it, you guys. Seriously, like, it's $1 and I love it, but it's like a white setting powder, so I just use that one under my eyes, and then I use the other one like all over my face. But this, I've had this last you forever. I think I bought my first bottle like, I think it's been over a year and it's lasted me that long. So, I mean, definitely pick this up because you definitely get your money's worth. And then I got a few things. Let's see what I want to start with. I saw this bronzer and I just wanted to kind of try it out. So this is the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer, and I've just been hearing e.l.f. has always, like, you know, had those hit or miss items, but some of their hits are like really good. But kind of when I buy things, I kind of just look what's like kind of, there's not a lot of them, and these seem to be like pretty almost gone. So I thought I'd pick it up and try it out. My bronzer's almost gone, so e.l.f. is super inexpensive. I think this was $4 maybe $5. So I thought I'd try this out. And then right next to it was this mascara, and there was like 2 left. So I was like, if there's only 2 left, that means people like it, right? So went ahead and picked up this mascara. It's like the 3-in-1 Very Black. So try that out. And then this is something I used to use all the time, and then I kind of switched into using this Makeup Revolution setting spray. But I wanted to go back to this one. Nothing, I didn't stop for any particular reason. I just, you know, sometimes you just want to try new things, and I've been liking this one a lot. But I just thought I'd try this one out again, just to kind of see if I like it better, just because it has been quite a while since I've used that. So it's just the setting spray, and it's a matte finish because I have, my face gets super, like you can tell, well, I don't know why you can't tell in the video, but my face gets pretty oily like by the end of the day. So, and then I got the new Morphe Concealer, so I'm super duper excited about this. Everybody who like reviewed it on, like, all the makeup guru people have said like really good things about it, so I'm so excited to try this out. Not sure if I got the right shade because they're almost all gone in the shades around mine, but I didn't care because I was excited. I was like, I'm just gonna get one and try it because I just have heard so much about it and I want to try it out. So yeah. And then the next two things are, oh, I forgot about this. I keep forgetting I get stuff. And then I got this ColourPop lipstick. It is the Ultra Matte Lip. I probably have like 10 colors this shade because even though I know I have all my lipsticks are this color, I still always go to this color. It's like a mauve pink. It is called Times Square. And it's the ColourPop, which these are only like $5. But I need to stop buying the same color because I have like 30 lipsticks on the same shade. Yep, this is like the same shade as all the other ones I have. But it's just so pretty. I can't help that that's like the color like I'm drawn to. I feel like that color goes with most of that like eyeshadow looks I do. Like I just can't help it. So I'm excited to try this same shade in just a different brand. I haven't tried any of the lipsticks too, so I just want to kind of try the ColourPop and just kind of see how I like them. Okay, so these last two items are not makeup. I just bought a new teasing comb. I always lose mine, so I thought I'd get a new one, and it was like $2, I think. And this is just really good to tease your hair. And I like the one with the point to like part your hair too. So just picked up a new, it's not the Ulta brand, but it was just a cheap one. And then kind of nervous, but I got this new tanning lotion. It's the Ulta brand, and it's the Bronze Glow Self Tanning Tinted Mousse. So the mousse I use now is the Jergens mousse, and I really like that one. I've been using it for quite a while now. But this past weekend, I went to buy more and they didn't have any. So I tried I think it's the L'Oreal like water mousse tanning serum or something like that. And I really liked it. So I was like, maybe I should start trying new tanning lotions. Maybe I'll find one I like better. And this had pretty good reviews. So in the store, I did look it up because I want to make sure it wasn't going to make me crazy looking like a Oompa Loompa or something. So I did look it up and it had really good reviews. So I thought I'd try it out, and it was about the same price as the Jergens one I usually get. So we're going to test this. Could be an epic fail, or it could become my next new self tanner. So we'll see. But that's pretty much everything I got. I think I'm going to do another video kind of showing at least the makeup products and I'll do the tanning lotion, I guess, too. So you can see from my other tan on my elbow there. But that's going to kind of wrap this up. Like I said, I'm going to try to do a video kind of showing you the new products I got. So trying out the concealer, the ColourPop lipstick, the tanning lotion, and the e.l.f. bronzer and mascara. And I'll kind of let you guys know. But I think it's always good to kind of wear it for a few days because like the first time I tried this foundation, I hated it. But by like the third or fourth time, I love it. So I don't love it completely by itself yet. I like mixing it with other ones, but it could also be that it's really light. I need to go back. I should have got it at Ulta today. But I need to get more like my shade. I think that would help me like this one more. But so stay tuned for that next video. But thanks you so much for watching. And that's gonna be it. So thanks. Bye.